jQuery scroll to element. I have this input element. Then I have some other elements, like other text inputs, textaries, etc. When the user clicks on that input with subject, the page should scroll to the last element of the page with a nice animation. It should be a scroll to bottom and not to top. The last item of the page is a submit button with submit. The animation should not be too fast and should be fluid. I am running the latest jQuery version. I prefer to not install any plugin but to use the default jQuery features to achieve this. Assuming you have a button with the ID button, try this example. I got the code from the article smoothly scroll to an element without a jQuery plugin, and I have tested it on the example below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.